Hello guys, welcome to my channel, my vlog, whatever you want to call it. My name's Robert Hilton. You've probably clicked on this through my Instagram. And today I'm going to show you how to make a GIF or moving image, depending on what you want to call it. So I recently got some new Nike React shoes and, well, quite frankly, I love them. I've posted quite a lot of photos already as it is. So I thought I'd make something quite cool out of them. I haven't done this before, it's the first time trying it, so hopefully it turns out alright, because sometimes these things turn out and they look pretty shit. Anyway, so I'm going to show you how to actually make this moving image GIF. So this video is a bit of a tutorial, if anything. So I'm going to show you I'm going to show you the images from the shoot, then I'm going to move on to actual the Photoshop work and putting it into a video GIF format, which will be the finished product. So my friend Josh helped me out with this shoot. He took the photo of me, and he was also the person holding the shoe, so I could create this GIF. So I'm going to be using this image here of me covering my face, because obviously I never like to show my face. You rarely ever see my face. So that's going to be the main image. Then we're going to have these photos here. As you can see, the shoe is moving on an angle, or a pivot, should you say, while I've got the camera in burst mode, and I've took around 12 shots, I think, but I don't think we'll use all of them because that's going to take so long to cut out all the shoes, and quite frankly I've got better things to be doing. So anyway, we're going to put these into Photoshop and we're going to cut them out, then create a PNG out of them, then later we're going to put that into a timeline which will create the GIF of this moving shoe. So hopefully it looks alright. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, so we're going to open up Photoshop now, and we're going to drag this shoe into here. So once you've done that, you're going to want to then unlock the layer of the image so you can actually edit it. Then we're going to come down here to the pen tool, and it's going to create a path. Keep the settings exactly, or just copy what I am doing and you should be actually fine. It's really simple to cut things out. It's just all about layers, pretty much. That is what Photoshop is. So yeah, we're going to go and cut this out. It might take me like, what, five minutes, maybe a bit less. And yeah, once I've done that, I'll check back in with you guys. So the next thing is to, like I said, make sure it's all correct. You can see the outline, all the dots here, which actually can be moved individually. So you're going to come up here to the selection point. You're going to press OK, depending on how. So after all your dots are okay, you've checked them, you're okay with the actual cutout of the shoe, you can come up here to selection and you're going to press OK. And a quick shortcut is to inverse this image. So you inverse in selection, so it'll delete all the background. So you can press Command, Shift and I, and that'll invert the image. Then simply press delete. Then you'll have your shoe PNG pretty much ready to go. Then you can press Control D, which will then unselect the selection of the shoe. Then you're free to carry on editing as you please. So I'm just going to quickly check over there's no background left in this image, and there's just a bit up here between the laces. I'm going to cut that out really quickly. Very rough again. Like I said, it doesn't have to be tidy or neat. Like you can see the end product, and hopefully it'll look quite alright. So once that is done, you pretty much got your PNG. Then you're going to save this. So same again. You got Command S, just another shortcut for it. Then you can go and save that as a PNG. Save it as a copy. Then pretty much good to go. So just repeat that for how many images you actually have. Sometimes 3 or 4 works best, or you could have like up to like 7, 8, which I'm going to do for this particular image. Then once that's all done, I'll check back in a minute, half an hour, 20 minutes. There's quite a lot to do. Then I'll show you the process of actually putting it into a timeline, which actually creates the GIF or moving image effect. Okay, we're pretty much done now. This is the last image I've cut out, and I've saved that as a PNG. Command S, save as PNG. Normally quite a small file size as well, so it shouldn't take too much room on your hard drive or MacBook or whatever you're using. Then you'll save that. So I've saved all mine into a particular folder. So I've got all my PNGs now into a folder here. We have 9. So we've got 9 images to create this moving GIF shoe effect. So I'm just going to go through them quickly here. You can see they're slightly moving as I pan through the images here, but no, my MacBook's too slow and can't handle it. It's literally on its last legs at the moment. So the next task is to add. So in Command A, I'm going to quickly select all the images. Then I'm going to actually drag them all in to the Photoshop file. Now I'm just going to keep pressing enter, so this way they'll all be the same size and in the original position from when the photo was taken, and hopefully they will of some sort all line up, because that is the main goal of this, that you create this smooth 3D rotating shoe effect. But like I said, this is my first time trying this. I thought I'd learn as well as teach. Well, I'll do it all in one go, but you know now. So it's already looking quite funky as it is, and quite frankly that's pretty cool. I'm quite happy with myself already. So yeah, this is the way this video is going. This is the way. So I'm going to select all of these. I'm going to turn my auto select off. Then I'm going to move them up a tiny bit, just to where I think is best going to show the shoe off in the photo as a whole. So yeah, I think that's a great place to put the shoe. Maybe just a bit more central there. I think that works a lot better. Yeah, much better. Okay, so the next step to make this into actually a moving part video, GIF, whatever the fuck you want to call it, pretty much. You're gonna go to Window. You're gonna go to Window, and you're gonna look for the timeline add-on. I don't know what you want to call it. So that will create this timeline down here. Then you want to click Create Video Timeline, and no, fuck you, all these layers. So you're going to come down here. So you want to click this the button on the bottom left, and that will give this kind of format, which is much easier to lay things out on than the previous one. I've never used that one before, so don't ask me, don't come to help. I'm not the guy. But this is a much easier format of actually creating this video effect. So we've got the first layer now. The next step is to add another layer. So you quickly click onto this to duplicate a new layer. Then you're going to add the first layer of the shoe on. And as you go on, you're going to click and remove the shoes from each layer until you get this effect of where it's just a seamless floating shoe. That is the plan. That's the plan anyway. So perfect, that's the shoe on that one. Then click that layer again. We're going to turn that shoe off. Then we're going to turn the next shoe on. Then we're going to keep repeating this until we get all the layers done and dusted, which shouldn't take too long. Hopefully, as long as I don't actually fuck up. So we've got 9 frames there, 10 frames in total with the original photo of me with a blank canvas with no shoe in or on, my hand floating in the image. So the next step we're going to select all of these, and we're going to change the duration to 0.1 seconds. Then this is going to create this GIF, and I'm equally as impressed as I expected it to be. I think it needs to be a bit faster still, or a lot faster. Let's see if we can do anything about that. See, this is fail, trial and failure. That's what you want to call it. Anyway, I think it looks pretty good at the moment. I think it looks pretty good, so I need a few more minor steps to actually get the finished look. Gonna select all these from end to end, holding shift. You can hold alt to copy it. You're gonna drag your mouse to the other end of the timeline. It's gonna zoom along to the end of the timeline, then you're gonna let go. Then you will have duplicated the length of your video. So 140, that's perfect. So when we did that video then it was a bit, see when we exported it, it was a bit too wide. So what we need to do is fix that by cropping it in, I think. So we're going to export, render video. It's a shame you can't actually preview it. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe you can. Well, 350 is height. Maybe by 1,000. Joe, let's just leave it and see how it actually looks. Oh, don't be doing this to me. Okay, this has just ruined everything. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully I will do some more. We don't know, because this has not gone that smooth. Maybe you should prepare to actually do one of these videos, like, so I know what I'm doing and not just come as blinded as this. But yeah, okay. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and maybe share with your friends or whatever you want to do. But if you've learned something, give me a thumbs up. Bye.